The MX Master 3S from Logitech, unboxing take 1. The ultimate attention to detail, so you don't need to cut. I like it. Hopefully we're going to see that sort of quality throughout, because this is not a cheap mouse. About £85 depending where you get it. Got mine from Amazon. So planet friendly packaging. Let's see. I'm using a Mac, by the way, so moving away from Mac products, the touchpad for the moment. I've kind of done that upside down. That's what it looked like in the box. Setup cable, the mouse, maybe nothing in there. No, I think that's just packaging. And the little dongle, I think I'll push that in the side of my keyboard because I've got an extra. And the wheels, the wheels feel really good. Yeah, this is obviously a high quality product, so we're going to give it an in-depth review. This is just the unboxing. So, and one of the upgrades, real quick, was quieter clicks. You can still hear them. Yep, we'll get into it. Thanks for watching. Actually what we have is the two ways to run this. You can either run it via Bluetooth, so you flick the Bluetooth button on and then head to the setup, or you use the Logibolt to communicate, which is the USB, and then switch it on and head to the setup. So the choice is yours, and when we press the Bluetooth, we can see that it's linked to profile 1, profile 2 or profile 3, so that's what we're going to set up.